What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. As I mentioned earlier in the previous video, I'll be getting a tail tidy to get rid of my ugly fender. Ta-da! So this is a Yamaha R6 tail tidy. The material of this tail tidy is made of black anodized aluminum. The quality and the finishing is very good. So this tail tidy comes with the license plate light and the wires. So I made the bullet connectors myself so that I can connect the plate lights to the stock Yamaha connectors. But this tail tidy doesn't come with the mounting bolts, so later I'll be going to one of my favorite hardware shops to get a bolt and nuts so I can install it on my bike. And finally, my mic adapter has arrived, so later I'll be going to test it in my helmet. So transition to the road.
Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So I bought a new microphone adapter for my GoPro Hero 4. So I hope it works and you guys can hear me. I'm not going to fill up my tank. I'm going to check my tire pressure. This is what I do every week. $37. $14. Check my tire pressure, because having a right tire pressure is very important to have even tire wear and also to increase your fuel, to decrease your fuel consumption. So for underinflated tires, your ride will tend to be sluggish, and also there's more contact area on the road, so you'll find that your bike might be under power. So for overinflated tires are really dangerous because you have lesser tire contact patch on the road, you tend to lose grip, but of course you have a better fuel consumption. So it's up to individuals what tire pressure you want. And right now I'm heading to one of my favorite outlet shops to get the bolts and nuts for my tail tidy. Here we are. Got it. Whenever I need boats, I will get it from them. They do sell all sorts of boats, metal boats, stainless steel boats. I always get it from them. And the people there are really nice. So now I'll be heading back to install my tail tidy. I've mounted the GoPro on my head, so I'm able to work with two hands. So in order to access to the four boats, it's quite troublesome. You have to remove the rider seats, pillion seats, the rear upper fairing, and this U-plate.
Guys, so I'm done with the installations. One thing that I like about this tail diary is that you're able to use the Yamaha stock turn signals instead of those aftermarket ones, especially those LEDs which will affect your flashing rate. In order to fix that, you have to install the resistor to slow down the flashing rate. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please subscribe. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!